How to fix OnlyFans successful liability shift for enrolled card is required. So basically just an explanation since you're gonna do this outside of OnlyFans itself and inside usually just what your card is related to. So the bank itself. So if you're getting this specific error, it pretty much means the platform can't complete the card verification step required for the payment. And that's usually because the card isn't enrolled in 3D Secure, like Visa Secure, MasterCard Identity Check, or the payment gateway didn't receive the expected authentication response. So a few things you can do to troubleshoot it is to use a 3D Secure enabled card. Since OnlyFans requires that specific feature, there are a few common programs that includes Visa Secure, MasterCard Identity Check, American Express SafeKey. So you can contact your bank and ensure your card is enrolled in 3D Secure or ask for a 3D Secure enabled replacement card. There's a few options over here you can try. Maybe you do have a different card. Another option is to basically just try to re-authenticate again, since after adding the card, OnlyFans should prompt you for 3D Secure verification, and your bank may send a pop-up, an SMS code, or app approval request. So you can go ahead and try doing that. So another is to just confirm your billing details, that make sure it matches the bank's records, since even small mismatches like your address format or ZIP codes or even name spelling can prevent liability shifts or double checks. But again, one of the best things you can do is to try a different card, and it's best to just go ahead and try whatever's shown over here, and you can just go ahead and verify that over here on the top section. So you will be redirected to third-party provider verification and authentication services once you have added your card as well. So make sure you do that. But those are a few things you can put in mind to potentially help you with this problem. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.